The name of this town is Sharpsburg. Sharpsburg, Louisiana. Correction. Greensburg, Louisiana. That's right. So let's take a look at the other direction. I'm on the way to Mississippi. And you're looking at you're either looking at the Thorny Turtle Ranch or you're looking at the Metal and Wood Channel. And I'm going to Mississippi. Oh, stop. I got the gas in the tank still. Shit. Jesus Christ. That's a good damn thing that we stopped her. Holy shit. $10. Okay. We just don't know when the next gas station is. Damn, that's a good thing that we stopped. Like, subscribe, share, take care. Thumbs up.